2016 Kia Sorento. The Kia Sorento is a comfortable riding, powerful compact SUV loaded with impressive standard features. Take one look at its stylish, sleek design and you'll want to cross over to a Sorento. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, navigation system, power passenger seat, keyless entry, traction control, dual airbags, Bluetooth, alloy wheels, power steering, keyless ignition, four-wheel disc brakes, iPod adapter, power windows, heated steering wheel, electronic stability control, fog lights, security system, trip computer, heated front seats. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience, so stop in for a test drive today.